Hey friends, welcome back to English Bridge. I'm so happy you're here today. Many English learners want to understand famous books, but sometimes the language is difficult. The words are long, the ideas are deep, and the grammar feels hard. That's why, here on English Bridge, I tell you these stories in slow, simple English. I speak clearly. I explain the meaning of difficult ideas. And I help you enjoy English without stress. Today's book is very special. It's called 12 Rules for Life, written by Jordan Peterson. He is a professor, a psychologist, and one of the most famous thinkers in the world. This book teaches us how to live better, how to be stronger, wiser, and more honest. But the original book is not easy to read. So today I'll explain all 12 rules in simple English. Let's begin. Rule 1. Stand up straight with your shoulders back. This rule is about your body and also about your mind. Your body and your mind are connected. The way you stand, sit, and walk changes the way you feel inside. When you stand tall, open your chest and look forward. Your brain feels strong and brave. But when you look down, close your body and try to hide, your brain feels small and weak. So stand up straight. Keep your shoulders back. Lift your head. Walk like someone who is ready for life. Even when you feel tired or afraid, this small change in your body can give you power. It tells your mind, I am strong. I can do this. Rule 2. Treat yourself like someone you are responsible for helping. Imagine your best friend or a small child you love. If they are sad, sick, or tired, what do? You help them. You give them rest, food, and kind words. You take care of them. But many people forget to take care of themselves. They eat bad food, sleep too little, and say bad things about themselves. They are kind to others, but not kind to their own heart. Jordan Peterson says, you must help yourself, just like you would help a friend. Give yourself what you need, not what you want. Eat healthy food. Sleep enough. Speak kindly to yourself. When you take care of yourself, you become stronger. And then you can help others too. Rule 3. Make friends with people who want the best for you. Your friends shape your life. Good friends help you grow. Bad friends pull you down. So choose carefully. Some people are jealous when you succeed. Some are negative or always complaining. They don't want you to change because it makes them feel small. But good friends are happy when you do well. They support your goals. They tell you the truth, even when it's hard to hear. Spend time with people who lift you up, not those who drag you down. Life is short. Be around people who want the best for you. Rule 4. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to who someone else is today. Many people feel bad because they compare themselves to others. They look at people who are richer, smarter, or more successful. Then they think, I'm not good enough. But you don't know their story. You don't know their struggles or their past. So stop comparing. Instead, look at yourself. Ask, am I better than I was yesterday? If you are learning, improving, and trying, that is success. Small progress every day becomes big change over time. Your only competition is your past self. Rule 5. Do not let your children do anything that makes you dislike them. This rule is for parents. Children need love, but they also need limits. If you never say no, your child will not learn how to behave. A child who never learns respect will grow up to have problems with teachers, friends, and work. So teach them kindly but firmly. If they shout, Teach them to speak politely. If they lie, teach them why truth is important. Good discipline is not punishment, it's teaching. It helps children grow into kind and strong adults. Rule 6: set your house in perfect order before you criticize the world. Many people complain about the world. They say the government is bad, the system is broken, life is unfair. But Jordan Peterson says start with yourself. Clean your own room. Pay your bills. Be kind to your family and take care of your health. Fix what is under your control before judging others. Real change begins inside you. If everyone made their own life better, the world would already be a better place. Rule 7: pursue what is meaningful, not what is easy. This rule is about choices. In life, you often have two choices: the easy one or the meaningful one. The easy choice gives quick comfort but no real growth. The meaningful choice is harder, but it makes your life better in the long run. Eating junk food is easy. Eating healthy is meaningful. Lying to avoid trouble is easy. Telling the truth is meaningful. Meaningful things take effort, time, and patience, but they give your life purpose. Excalibur. So ask yourself, am I doing this because it's easy or because it's right? Rule 8: tell the truth, or at least don't lie. This rule is simple, but powerful. Always try to tell the truth. If you cannot tell the full truth, at least don't lie. Lies may make life easier for a short time, but they always create bigger problems later. When you lie, you hide from reality. You build a fake world that will fall apart. The truth can be hard, but it gives freedom and peace. Be honest with others and with yourself. That is how you build real strength. Rule 9: listen as if the other person knows something you don't. Listening is not just staying quiet, it means really trying to understand the other person. Most people don't listen, they wait to talk, but every person you meet knows something you don't. Maybe they have a story, an experience, or a lesson that can help you. So listen carefully. Ask questions. Try to learn instead of arguing. You'll be surprised how much wisdom other people can share. Rule 10: be precise in your speech. Words have power. When you speak clearly, you think clearly. But when you use vague words like everything is bad or I'm unhappy, you can't fix the real problem. Be specific. Instead of saying I'm unhappy, say I feel lonely because I don't talk to my friends. Now you know what to change. Precise language helps you face the truth and find solutions. So speak clearly and your life will become clearer too. Rule 11: do not bother children when they are skateboarding. This rule is about courage. When children play, they take risks. They climb, run, and fall. Sometimes adults want to stop them to keep them safe. But if you protect them too much, they never learn to be brave. Taking small risks teaches children how to handle danger and fear. It helps them grow strong and independent. So don't stop them when they try something brave. Let them learn, fall, and rise again. Rule 12: pet a cat when you encounter one on the street. This last rule is about finding peace in a difficult world. Life is full of pain. People get sick, people we love die, things go wrong. We cannot control everything, but we can choose how to respond. Jordan Peterson says, when life is hard, look for small, beautiful moments, like petting a cat, watching a sunset, or drinking warm tea. These little moments give you strength to keep going. They remind you that even in pain, beauty still exists. Conclusion. So, my friend, these are Jordan Peterson's 12 rules for life. Explained in simple English, they are not easy, but they are true. Stand tall, take responsibility, be honest, find meaning. And remember, Small steps each day lead to a stronger life. Thank you for listening to English Bridge. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. That way you can keep learning English step by step every day. Stay curious, stay strong, and keep learning. See you next time on English Bridge. Bye for now.